Mike Pettiford here from Go4IT. Guess what we got? Yes, finally, the new C8 with the Z51 package. Like I said on Facebook, no, it didn't match my eyes. No, it didn't follow me home. It matched my shirt. That's why I bought it. That's the story I'm sticking with. So it's pretty cool. We've got about 775 miles on it. I've been driving it a lot and I really like it. It's really smooth and we're going to be doing a lot of videos about it, just kind of step by step. As I learn more, I will tell you more, and if you have questions, which some of you already have, and we're going to take care of that next, let me know and we will answer them weekly or daily or monthly or however it works. So that's the new car. Love it. Thanks, Emmett Chevrolet. Go for it.